Welcome to this week's edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest. Neurocrine has returned 2 central nervous system gene therapy programs to Voyager Therapeutics, a partnership originally valued at $1.7 billion. The decision to hand back the programs is not related to any safety concerns, and Voyager will continue its focus on Parkinson's disease and Gaucher disease with the remaining programs. Aspen Neuroscience has shared promising results from its Phase 1/2a clinical trial for its personalized cell therapy in Parkinson's disease. The treatment using autologous dopaminergic neuronal precursor cells showed early improvements in patient-reported outcomes. Aspen will present full data at the International Association of Parkinsonism and Related Disorders meeting in New York, 2025. Capsida Biotherapeutics has received FDA clearance for a first-in-class gene therapy targeting STXBP1-related Epileptic Encephalopathy. The therapy, called CAP002, uses an engineered capsid to cross the blood-brain barrier while avoiding delivery to the liver. The first patient is expected to be dosed in Q3 of 2025. MavriX Bio has received FDA clearance for its gene therapy, MavriX220, for Angelman syndrome. The Ascend-AS study will begin in late 2025, evaluating safety and efficacy in both adult and pediatric patients. The therapy aims to restore expression of the UBE3A gene in neurons. MiraGTx has been granted RMAT designation for its AAV-GAD gene therapy for Parkinson's disease. In Phase 2 trials, the therapy showed significant improvements in motor function. The designation allows for faster review and potential accelerated approval by the FDA. Sarepta Therapeutics has received regulatory approval in Japan for its gene therapy, Elevidys, for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The approval includes children as young as 3 years old and is based on 2-year Phase 3 trial data. This milestone marks a significant advancement in the treatment landscape for DMD in Japan. Casgevy, developed by CRISPR Therapeutics and Vertex Pharmaceuticals, is gaining traction in gene therapy for sickle cell disease. With over 65 treatment centers now involved, the therapy has shown promising results in early clinical trials, including a reduction in cholesterol and triglycerides. MavriX Bio has announced that the FDA has granted priority review for its gene therapy, RGX-121, for mucopolysaccharidosis type 2, also known as MPS II. If approved, this therapy will be the first one-time treatment for MPS II. The target action date is November 9, 2025. Genescence has reported that its gene therapy, GNSC001, met safety and efficacy endpoints in trials for knee osteoarthritis. The therapy showed sustained gene expression for up to 12 months. Late-stage development is expected to begin in 2026. Ensoma has received FDA clearance for its gene therapy, EN374, for X-linked chronic granulomatous disease. The therapy works by directly modifying hematopoietic stem cells. The Phase 1/2 clinical trial will begin in Q4 of 2025. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.